Hello everybody, in today's video we are going to install Python and Pycharm. So first we are going to install Python. So to do that, head over to your browser. After your browser is open, go to python.org. This is Python's official website. So over here we need to download Python. So head over to the download section. When I'm recording this, the latest version is Python 3.9. So when you're watching this video in the future, there may be Python 4. So whatever the latest version is, download that. It will take a while to download. So after it is finished downloading, we need to open the file. So it will take you to this installation wizard. So you need to tick this box called Add Python 3.9 to Path, which is extremely important. And then you can install it. So while it's downloading, we can go to install Pycharm. So to do that, you need to go to www.jetbrains.com jetbrains.com/Pycharm. Now what is Pycharm? Pycharm is an IDE which stands for Integrated Development Environment. It is basically a place where you write your code, except that it has many additional features which helps you write your code. And Pycharm is one of the most popular IDEs for Python. So let's click on this download button. Now this will take you to a page where it says, do you want to choose Professional Edition or do you want to choose the Community Edition? Well, the Professional Edition has many additional features which we don't need, and the Community Edition is the one we are going to use. So let's click on download. Well, we finished installing Python, so let's close this. So the download has finished. So like we did with the Python file, we are going to open this. Well, this will take you to this installation wizard. And well, let's close Chrome because we don't really need it anymore. So let's click next. And you can browse where you want this Pycharm to be. And I recommend that you keep it wherever it is showing you to keep. Then click next. So here it will give you a few options. So I want a 64-bit launcher to my desktop. You might not want it. So it depends on your decision. Okay, so you don't really need to tick anything else. Just this. If you want to, then click next. and then I recommend you leave it the way it is, and then let's click on install. It's going to take a while. This part is going to be boring, so I'm going to pause the recording here, and I will unpause it when the installation is. Okay, so Pycharm has been installed successfully. So before clicking on finish, I will tick this little box here called Run Pycharm Community Edition so that it runs automatically after finishing the installation. And it will show you something like this. And you have to tick on I confirm that I've read and accept the terms of this user agreement, and then click on continue. So this is the page you will see